Welcome traders, Patrick Head Trader, Trading123.net. In this video we're going to talk about the day's trades on the NQ here on September 27th, 2021. It's a Monday. And we'll show you the trades we did with the AutoTrader. Now, a lot of people think the AutoTrader is a complicated thing. It's been out now for over 7 years, and we trade with it every day, and it's very simple to operate. You have no complicated settings for the wind or volatility or volume or any crap like that. It's just you set the settings. Here they are. Pretty much your time settings. These are all default. Your time settings, so there's nothing to change there. The amount of contracts you want to trade. We trade 3 every day. And then here's your profit targets. 16 and 36. So wider range days I may go 20 and 40. Smaller range days I may go 10 and 20. It's that simple. You're a trader, you should know that. You know? And then we got our stop loss. On the NQ we use 20 to 22 usually, depending on the range and volatility of the market. And we have the option of using a break even, but we don't use that. We prefer the trail stop. So the trail stop kicks in after 15 ticks, trails by 22. Our goal on an average daily basis on an NQ is 500 or 600 depending on the range. Bigger range days we may even up it to 8. And then our loss is, usually 320 to 380. Higher goal, higher loss, a little bit. We're not going to go with a $500 loss to make $600. And then you can change these to whatever you want. Like if the market slows down in the afternoon, you want to make a trade in the afternoon, you could change this to 300 and 200 and then adjust your profit targets. And then the rest is just default stuff. So no complication there. Simple math. Easy to use. And you get full instructions and video of how to use the software. So basically rule number 1 is start the AutoTrader in uptrend or downtrend. Here's where we start it. By the vertical line here. It makes a reversal. It gets long the 3 contracts that we put in. Hits our profit targets. We're on our way to hitting our goal. Trend reverses. Our trail stop kicks in. Gets us out. AutoTrader gets short. And that's a simple 1-minute trade there on the NQ when we hit our goal. So nothing complicated about that at all. And then we go over here to our performance on the strategy to show you that it was a live trade. We got $556 as the chart showed. Commission $22, $23. And Sharp ratio 9. Anything above 9 is great. And it made 6 trades, 3 long, 3 short. Average trade, largest winning trade. And then the potential profits per month, 16,000 on a 30-day basis NinjaTrader calculates. So there's your performance metrics for the strategy. Now they'll be lower should you have a lower goal. So here's our second trade of the day. Just like the first one, we start the strategy in a downtrend. And no second guessing of when to get long. Probably a lot of traders see this right here. A couple green Renko bars. They're looking to go long. But the AutoTrader's been programmed by an algorithm. And the algorithm identifies the trend change, and it's pretty damn accurate. As you see here, we get long, and up it goes, hits first profit target, second profit target, and then the max daily gain is hit minus commission, $593 in another trade that lasted about a minute and a half, 2 minutes. So that's how the AutoTrader works. And then people say, well, what about chop? How do you trade chop? Well, if you trade the first half hour, There is no damn chop. But if you're going to trade at 12.15 or 12.30, oh yeah, there's chop. Uh, there's people that trade, come up with this trade chop stuff. I don't know when they trade. You got the open, you got a good hour and a half right there to make plenty of money. Trade up to 11:30 every day. Yeah, you may see some chop, in the NQ from 10:15 to 10:30. We tried to avoid that area. But after that, you got the 11 o'clock power hour. I mean, if you trade these patterns like you'll learn, and timing patterns, and patterns that repeat, you'll never have to worry about chop. Here we just made 2 trades up over 1K, no chop. So we've hit our goal for the day, and it's not even 10 o'clock. So we're coming up to 10 o'clock, and we start the auto trader right here as it's going up to the highs. And what's going to happen after it loses this high? There's going to be a trend change, and the market's going to go south. And we don't need that many ticks to hit our goal. And we're still trading 3 contracts because that's what we do every day. And we still have the same goal of 600 because it's a lot easier to hit a $500 or $600 goal. In here we did it in 3 trades. Most of the time, at the most, it's 9 trades. You want to go for a $1,000 goal. Well, you're probably going to have maybe 15 to 18 trades. So we found over the past 7 years since we've been using the AutoTrader is that setting goals of 4 to 5 to 600 are a lot easier to hit than going for the home run. So you make 1 or 2 of those a day and you're off to having a fabulous trading career. You trade chop, well, I guess you go back to your day job. So that's today's trades. 3 trades on NQ, and that's the way they worked. And we showed our settings to show you that it's not that complicated to use the software. So this is Patrick from Trading123. Hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel here for more trading tips. And like us on Facebook and Twitter and all that social media stuff. And we'll see you in the next video.